Hi Year 2, so this is our science video number 2 for this week, and we are going to be looking at the structure of animals. So this PowerPoint is all about animals' body parts. So here we have a dog, and as you can see we've got some labels labelling the body parts of the dog. So we've got a tail, claws, a spine. The dog has 2 ears, 2 eyes, a nose and 4 legs. I would like you to put your thinking caps on and have some thinking time. Can you think of other animals that are similar to a dog? Think about the body parts a dog has. What other animals might have the same or similar body parts as a dog? Maybe you said something like a cat, because a cat has 4 legs, a tail, 2 eyes, 2 ears and a nose. So well done if you said anything like that. That might be similar to a dog. Here we have a lizard. Oh, look, it's so beautiful, beautiful colours. So some of the body parts for a lizard also has a spine. It has a really long tail. A lizard has 2 eyes, also has claws, has 4 legs. But a lizard has scaly skin, so it's got lots of scales on its skin. Can you think of any other animals that are similar to a lizard? Think about the body parts of a lizard: 4 legs, scaly skin, a long tail. And another question I want you to have a think about is, how do you think lizards' body parts help it to survive? Think about where a lizard lives, its habitat. Pause the video if you need to have a think, and then when you've thought of something, come back. Or wonder what you thought of. I thought of a bearded dragon, which is similar to a lizard, and how what body parts does a lizard have that helps it to survive? Some that I can think of is, because of their scaly skin, it helps them to run across the sand without sinking, and also that it has sharp claws that will help with predators. So well done if you said anything like that. Now let's look at a bird. So a bird has 2 eyes, a beak instead of a nose, claws, only 2 legs, a tail, 2 wings and feathers. So they're the body parts of a bird. Can you think of any bird names? I wonder if you can pause the video and write down as many different birds that you can name, and then after this video you can go and check to see how many you got right. And also a question I would like you to think about is, how do the bird's body parts help it to survive? What of their body parts that we just looked at do you think helps it survive? Have a pause of the video, have a think, and when you've come up with an answer, come and press play. So for some bird names, I came up with budgies, parrots, cockatoos, woodpeckers, blackbirds, pigeons. There's lots and lots of different ones, so you can definitely look them up if you want to. They're really interesting and very beautiful. And the question about how do the bird's body parts help it to survive? Well, the wings, so a bird can fly away from its prey or anything that would want to eat it. I'm very excited about this next animal because you know I love sharks. So here is a shark and the body parts that a shark has. A shark has 2 eyes and a mouth. A shark has a fin, a tail, and then if you look closely, a shark has gills. We'll look into that in a minute. So again, I've got some questions I'd like you to think about. Where do sharks and other creatures like them live? What is their habitat? And also, what special body parts do they have so they can live there? I know we looked at gills. Gills are how sharks can breathe. Here we have a frog. So a frog has 2 big eyes, 2 shorter front legs and 2 longer back legs. Webbed feet, so not claws this time, webbed feet, and moist skin. So there, we've been through some animals and labelled the body parts. What I would like you to do now is, on the website in the newsletter, there is a sheet that says draw an animal and label its body parts, but you can just do this on some plain paper. That's absolutely fine. I want you to think of an animal, maybe your favourite animal. Maybe you can look it up. I would love for you to draw a picture and label its body parts. And then you can have a think about how some of those body parts might help that animal to survive. I would love it if you could email Claire and I some pictures of your work. That would be absolutely great, or to post them on Seesaw. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.